Flying a drone may seem like a difficult task, but it's surprisingly easy to get started. You can make money by doing any number of things with your drone, such as taking aerial photography, surveying, and even doing inspection services. In this video, we've outlined the best ways you can make money using your drone. Before we begin, be sure to like and subscribe if you found any of the information in this video helpful. But now, let's get started on the 4 best ways to make money with your drones. Number 1. Drone photography. Drone photography is one of the fastest growing and most exciting fields in photography. Drones are capable of taking high quality photographs and videos, which are a great way to make money. You can do it as a hobby on the side or do it full time as your profession. You can even use certain drones to create 3D models, something that many businesses are in search of. Number 2. Drone inspections. Drones are revolutionizing the way we conduct inspections. They can access remote or dangerous areas like a bridge or a building and provide aerial footage. They can even take photos in areas that would be difficult to reach by ground. These inspections have saved time and money while improving worker safety. And because drones can stay in the air longer than workers on foot, they can get more footage and produce a more detailed report in a shorter amount of time. Number 3. Make money teaching others how to fly drones. If you're a tech geek who loves to fly drones, this is a perfect opportunity for you. You can make money teaching others how to fly their expensive new gear. Certain states even require specific license in order to fly drones in specific areas or for business. And there are entire industries based around helping others obtain this license. You can apply to be an instructor for one of these companies, or you can create an online course that helps people pass the tests required to get the license. Number 5. Drone racing. With the popularity of drones, many people are interested in making some extra money and becoming drone racers. This sport is only gaining in popularity and becoming a multi-million-dollar industry. If you're interested in making some extra money with your drone racing skills, it might be the time to get started. This can be done through either hobbyist races or professional races. There are even teams dedicated to drone racing. And that completes our list for the 5 best ways to monetize your drone hobby. If you feel like we left anything out, leave it in the comments down below and let us know what you think is the best way to monetize your drone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.